Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you what the Snapchat quick add means. Firstly, you need to open your Snapchat app. On the top right corner, tap on plus icon or plus profile icon. And here you can see quick add. What does this mean? It's a Snapchat algorithm that looks at your contact and your mutual friends within a Snapchat and suggests that you might add these persons. If you have multiple friends in common with someone, then it will suggest that person in your quick add. To add them, you just need to tap on add and that person will be added. One cool factor is if you don't want to show up on the quick add, you can swipe down and go to your profile icon at the top left corner and tap on settings on top right corner. Scroll down and under privacy control you will see me in quick add. Tap on it and you can turn this off and then nobody will see your name. You won't show up under quick add for anybody. So this is what quick add means on Snapchat. Thank you for watching.